Now this finished the Syton 7-star cases. The problem is the here when the patient's big smiling, the facial aspect. That's the main issue. And this is the final for 7 stars. It is one piece. This one is 7-star cases. We're going to make the all one unit because the wall is really blinding. And here's a frame design. There's a little bit more make deeper, make the better undercut. So make the all monolithic the top of that. So this area is a little bit issue. We're trying to a little bit trim it. Bring it as much as possible. We can finalize this one. Cases soon. So this one is the screwdriver. Yes, so you can see it's really tough, right? That was the main issue. Now we cannot compensate too much the reach. Sorry, because this is an aesthetic zone. I wish I can cut it this much. Then problem is when patients smile, and they will get huge issue here. So that was extended, unfortunately, but screw retained. And we can finalize here, so that's why we're trying to decide to go to Syton 7-star cases. It's a hygiene issue, not much we can do. All right, our 7 stars is coming up compared to this. Guys, after finish the frame design, trying to bring down as much as possible and trying to close the implant. Usually people do not want to see the metal outside. The problem is whenever I put out here, unfortunately this is rich lab. I cannot do much about it from the implant, right? Okay, so that's my limitation, but we're going to do porcelain here instead of the metal. Then quite a bit the back side too, so we'll get the more lighter. So now we're going to sandblast it and then make the all one unit after pack all unit monolithic zirconia for that because of lower tiers. see after 30 minutes the final is a bake for 7-star case using the Mio for mouse. This is information for them. That one is finish the full mouse cases with a monolithically with a great the Mio technique is over the top. It's using the BND zirconia block in Utah, which they sponsor us. And this is the cases is we grind it. We put the pack. Now we put the metal ceramic, which is applied the G signature metal ceramic top of that. Then we finish this. There you can see this is the grate, the fitting, and then aesthetic as well. So almost there regarding the color, shape, and contour. Now we're ready to cement for this. Okay, it's very nice. And from here to wax try-in. And this is extremely difficult case, that's why I'm using this. Now this finished the Syton 7-star cases. The problem is here, and the patient's big smiling. And we should have to extend it. The facial aspect, that's the main issue. Okay, so that created about the cleaning issue, but they can take it out, or doctor can take it out anytime for cleaning. This is a prototypes, and then the problem is the other side is the bite, which is natural teeth. It's just like flat, you see? That was a huge issue, and we're going to break everything. Now, other one is the implant. It's tough, as you can see, and from impression. So anyway, regardless, we made the wax try-in. Alright, and there's a huge the gum area, so we finished the final restorations. So you saw the old individual one full mouth. The people asked why I made the full mouth instead of the single, because of the strength. Okay, that one is the fix, and then finish it with create aesthetic, and between teeth we put this subtle pink gradient composite, so we add it. Now this is a finish. We give them a soft gold as well, so patient have to wear it at nighttime. And this is the final for 7 stars. It is one piece. I'm trying to diminish as possible here and there, but the best we can. That's my limitation, but this one will be best. I wish I can cut it off that area, but patients has a huge smile. That's the main issue. So all the time dilemma to case by cases. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. This is another Syton 7-star cases.